Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Friday, October 7th, 07:30 a.m. New York time. Good morning. I'm in a position still from overnight. Yep, I put an option position on the E-mini futures last night, and I'm likely going to close it before 8:30 a.m. either for a win or loss because I don't want to keep it open at 8:30 a.m. New York time. There's economic news release, 3 big news events. I shared that yesterday. Look at here on the daily chart. We already took out the low of yesterday. That yellow candle, inside candle, we took out the low. Tight acceleration range here on the daily, especially today, tight acceleration. And then those prior days, big bodies, yep, uptrend, acceleration, maybe doing a staircase pattern higher high, maybe light retracement here. But I'm not going to take that risk with my capital and want to stay in. So either win or lose, I'm going to be closing it shortly. Then I'll consider coming back on new positions. Here, looking on the 4-hour candles on the E-mini. This is all overnight. Each of these are 4 hours. This was yesterday. Well, here's the current candle right now. This will be done at 9 a.m. Yeah, this one was the 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Small body on top, long wick on the bottom. Tested this swing low. Also a demand zone of buyers. Rejected it and went up. That's good. That looks like it was around the London session. Where here, looks like during the Asian session, big wick on the top, red body on the bottom, test it. Supply zone where the sellers. Okay, look at that, making a tight acceleration in here too. Sellers rejecting high, buyers defending the bottom. Confusion what indecision what might happen come 8:30. That's real close today. So here, big body down, midpoint, never got tested. Now we're looking at the 2-hour. See how the overnight session started. It was green, making higher highs, higher lows. And it made it to the top of the supply zone where the sellers were. Getting rejected it. Went down. And the big candles that went down looked like they had bigger trading ranges. Why? Because it may have been overlapping the Asian session and the London session. And that reversed. So where we are right now, we're inside the trading range from last night. We did take out the higher low coming into the pre-market in the United States. Looking at the hour. These first 2 candles were confusing here to me. I was thinking, okay, I need to go bearish. I should have put a bearish trade up there. Well, sorry, I was thinking putting a bearish trade up here. I didn't. Because as I was watching these, and when this one started forming, I see higher lows and higher highs. So I put a bull put spread on down here. And that's the one that's still open. I went to sleep. Now I'm looking here. Let's go look at the 30-minute. Look at that was a consolidation. Breakout to the upside. Nice candle from there's a reversal. This big impulse move down. Little tiny inside bar. Nice. And then that breakout to the upside. So nice, long could have gone there if you were scalping. That was nice during London session likely. Yep. And now here you got the Here, this high, we had it retested, but it failed to take out that high. So that went up there. Retest on weakness. Why do I say weakness? Because again, we didn't take out that high. So it went up here. It's in a consolidation phase right now. So maybe we'll do a retest again. That's interest right there. But these are the opportunities I like to see. I don't always get them because the market's nearly 24/7 and I'm a human and don't have the capability of without having to, Mother Nature, sleep, eat, and poop. Wink, wink. So again, when you see occurs events like these, one of the opportunities for setups is to wait till they get retested like this and see if it fills or breaks out and fills. One could have gone short here. This green candle, when the next candle broke that low, you could have gone short and taken it for a scalp on the faster time frame. Doesn't matter. I would set an alert at the bottom of that when that got it done, that green candle, and then when it broke below it, gone short. However, your money management is for a few pips or a few candles on the faster time frame, the lower time frame. Nice. And look at that, 37.50. Those two candles, small little wicks there, rejecting it, big round number. Nice. So look at the ranges here. You notice 37.75 and 37.25 quarters and 37.50. So it's like half the time above the 37.50 from overnight and half the time below it. Above and below it's interesting. Maybe we have bipolar London Asian sessions. Well, let me tell you something. This is also in the New York session. That's maybe more bipolar. Look how the whipsaw is occurring all up here. What's up with the Americanos? Who's drinking coffee today? What kind? Americana? Now look at here on the 15-minute. We're taking this down a faster time frame and all these midpoints, supply demands. I'm drawing off the higher time frame. So great opportunity if you're trading these overnight. If I did, yeah. So if I did a bear call spread up here or I just scalped bearish, that would have been nice if I was awake during that time. And then down there on the bullish side. Well, we'll see what happens because again, 8:30 a.m. New York Times, the economic news, 3 of them. Plenty of opportunities to be trading right now. Yep, pre-markets. That's a good thing about being able to trade futures. If you have an account to trade futures, you could be trading right now. Or reverse equity market, only 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. primary trading hours. Yeah, not the best advantage. Well, stay tuned. I'll put out another video showing you what happens. Well, at least my Patreon members will get to see. So if you want to see, you can join my Patreon page. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.